Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best geode is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding geological adventures you can have from your own home, offering a captivating blend of science, exploration, and the thrill of uncovering hidden natural treasures within these intriguing rock formations. Whether you're a seasoned rockhound or a curious beginner, the process of carefully breaking open a geode to reveal its dazzling crystalline interior is an experience that combines the anticipation of a treasure hunt with the wonder of discovering the Earth's hidden beauty. Number 5. National Geographic Geodes. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Let's open this box and discover the amazing geodes inside. You'll find everything you need for a fun and educational experience. It's time to break open these unique rocks and reveal the crystals hidden within. Prepare to be amazed by the colorful variety you'll uncover. You'll receive 10 geodes, each one a surprise waiting to be discovered. They vary in size, promising a thrilling experience with every crack. Don't forget to put on your safety goggles before you start breaking open the geodes. It's important to protect your eyes during this exciting process. This kit also includes a 16-page full-color learning guide. It's packed with fascinating facts about geodes and how they are formed. Learn while you play. Once you've cracked open all your geodes, use the included display stands to showcase your beautiful crystal collection. Share your discoveries with friends and family. This kit is a fantastic STEM gift for kids of all ages. It combines fun and learning, making science an exciting adventure. These are real, 100% natural geodes. We're committed to providing high-quality, educational toys that spark curiosity and a love of science. What we like. It boasts 10 premium geodes, perfect for a fun-filled science adventure. The included goggles ensure safety during the exciting cracking process. If you're looking for a complete kit with everything you need, including display stands to showcase your findings, this is the one for you. What people say. They had a blast wearing the safety goggles that it came with and then after looking at the crystals through the magnifying glass that it also came with. We had geodes of all different colors. All 5 were hollow geodes and one was even a double. Kids and adults were pleased. The geodes are carefully selected to ensure high quality and diversity, providing a range of colors, textures, and crystal formations to explore. With the included safety goggles and instructions, breaking open the geodes becomes a fun and safe activity that the whole family can enjoy. Number 4. National Geographic Geodes. It's like opening a treasure chest. These geodes are naturally formed volcanic rocks, each hiding beautiful crystal formations waiting to be discovered. We've selected only the best geodes from around the world. You're guaranteed to find amazing crystals inside. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Carefully break open your geodes and uncover the sparkling minerals hidden within. Kids will love this. It's a fun and educational way to spark an interest in nature and geology. It's more than just a fun activity. The included learning guide teaches you all about geodes and the amazing minerals they contain. We're committed to providing the best hands-on science toys. If you have any issues, we'll make things right. What we like. This kit offers an even more extensive experience with 15 premium geodes. The detailed learning guide enhances the educational aspect, making it a great STEM activity. If you value learning and a comprehensive kit with multiple display stands, this is your best choice. What people say. Some of the geodes are very beautiful. The pyrite geodes were pretty cool, once cracked they reveal some interesting looking formations. All but a few geodes were hollow, quartz in a variety of shades. Number 3. Dancing Bear 25 Geodes. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit contains 25 Moroccan geodes, perfect for a fun and educational experience. Each geode is medium-sized, between 1 and 1.5 inches, and easy to open. You'll discover amazing crystals inside, most are hollow, but some may be solid quartz or calcite. Carefully crack open your geode to reveal the beautiful crystals hidden within. It's like getting a surprise every time. Learn about geodes with the included information sheet. It's a great way to combine fun with learning. These make fantastic party favors or prizes. They're a unique and memorable gift for everyone. It's assembled with care by our dedicated team in Eugene, Oregon. We're proud to bring you this exciting product. We're so confident you'll love it, that we offer a money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund your money, including shipping. What we like. With 25 geodes, it provides exceptional value for your money. The medium size and easy-to-open nature make it perfect for younger children. If you are on a budget and want a large quantity of geodes for a party or classroom, this is the ideal option. What people say. 2225 had beautiful crystals in hollow cavities. Excellent results. Each geode is small enough to fit in a box, and each kid getting more than one has them excited each time they crack them. Great for the price and fun quality product. The quartz crystals inside are incredibly well defined, with most of them being clean and either small crystals or larger, well-grown point quartz. I highly recommend it. Number 2. Crystal Canyon Geode Pack. Get ready to explore the wonders within. This pack is filled with 13 large geodes, perfect for a fun and educational experience. These unique geodes are sourced from Mexico. Discover the beautiful crystals hidden inside. Marvel at the stunning crystalline structures. Each one is a unique work of art from nature. These geodes contain beautiful quartz crystals. Prepare to be amazed by their sparkling formations. This special geode glows under UV light. It's a truly spectacular addition to your collection. It's the perfect gift for rockhounds and crystal lovers of all ages. Share the excitement of discovery. What we like. This kit offers a diverse collection of 13 large geodes, each with unique characteristics. It's perfect for those who appreciate variety and want a range of crystal formations. If you are a serious rock enthusiast and want a diverse collection, this is the one for you. What people say. They all glowed green, much more than what my camera can capture, under a UV 365 nanometers flashlight. The rest of the geodes were around 2 inches and easy to break. Overall, it was a fun experience. Beautiful crystals in each rock. We got 2 really big heavy ones and 10 golf ball sized. They all had crystals. Number 1. Geode Breaker Kit. It's a natural wonder. This hollow rock contains beautiful crystals and minerals waiting to be discovered. It's about the size of a softball. Imagine the excitement of breaking it open and finding treasure inside. Breaking it open is tons of fun. Grab a hammer and reveal the incredible crystals hidden within. Crack it open and find dazzling crystals. It's the perfect specimen to begin or add to your rock collection. Easy to follow instructions are provided. It may take a little time and patience, but the results are amazing. Get ready for an exciting adventure. You'll uncover the mysteries hidden inside this incredible geode. What we like. The sheer size of this geode is its main attraction. Imagine the thrill of uncovering amazing crystals from a softball-sized rock. If you're after a wow factor and a truly memorable experience, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. It was probably 85% hollow with at least one marble-sized snowball crystal floating around in it. The geode we got was about softball size or maybe a little larger. Very nice in terms of what you typically get for geodes. When it broke open and the crystal facets started reflecting the light, my son was beside himself with excitement. The crystals were small, but clean and everywhere, so a very beautiful specimen, I think. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.